Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. The ADA chart currently, if I zoom out a little bit, continues to work through its pattern. This chart hasn't changed in months, so the overall structure remains unaffected. Still watching here for a potential 5-wave move to the upside, but possibly we might get another marginally lower low, as discussed in the previous videos. The idea is that in June, price formed a more substantial low. There are different ways how this can be interpreted, but my idea is that we had a wave 1 then afterwards, basically a 3-wave move, yes. Could also be an ABC, okay, but current price action would rather, in my opinion, suggest trend continuation, especially if I look at the broader crypto market. Okay, that can change. That's why we're tracking support levels. So should the support levels break, we're dealing with something more bearish, like an ABC structure, and then a move possibly to new lows. But at the moment, I see this as a potential diagonal wave 1. Wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, with one more high to come. That's pretty much in line with the Bitcoin chart. On the Bitcoin chart, what I would like to see is also ideally one more high after this wave 4 is completed. But you know that if you watch the Bitcoin videos. So the only question is, okay, do we get another marginally lower low? That's the main question at the moment for me. I mean, there are many questions. You know, it's not like this is easy, but we keep it as simple as possible. So let's go to the shorter time frame. 4-hour chart suggests that we are still in the wave 4. That's sort of been the message yesterday as well. The price is coming down nicely currently, and the idea was that we haven't probably put in the low, and the reason we haven't put in the low yet, again, high likelihood, not guaranteed, is that the structure here counts best as an ABC structure. So the A wave, so basically topped in wave 3, okay, that was here on the 9th of December, A wave down, and then the B wave is a triangle, A, B, C, D, E. By the way, so that's a B wave, triangle, which then resulted in a C wave down. I might be wrong, I think I remember someone, oh no, that was the XRP video, forget about it. So someone highlighted that the trend lines don't touch here, the triangle, so can't be a triangle, but I think that was XRP. But maybe as an educational moment here, so in Elliott wave triangles, there are certain rules and guidelines. The trend lines aren't so important, okay? So it's more like, do we have the right structure for a triangle? Are the proportions okay? And do we make lower highs and higher lows here in a contracting triangle? And it seems like that. So therefore, you know, there are surely, you know, there will be other interpretations here, but this is for me what counts best. Even if you count this differently, like a WXY or something, you wouldn't really get to a very different outcome. So the idea is then, okay, the C wave down is unfolding. I realized I need to readjust actually this target range for this C wave down. We still touched it, but I have to adjust it down because I have to measure it against the, let me just put it onto the chart again. I have to measure it, I have to compare the length of the wave A to the length of the C wave, but the B wave moved. You know, a few days ago, I changed it from a WXY to a triangle. Again, it didn't really change the expectations, but it means the fib levels change slightly. So the way to count or to calculate this ideal target area then is to measure to the end of the triangle, which is the B wave high that formed at round about 63.7 cents. And then what we're typically looking for is the beginning of a C wave, well, the C wave target basically is the 100% extension level. As you can clearly see, it has been reached. Even in this, so it doesn't make a difference really because it just allows for more downside. Even the previous way I did still have it on the chart, it hit the target, and now as well, obviously also with the new way of measuring. Here, however, it's very nicely within the, let's say, the upper compartment of this support area. So it's good overlap of Fibonacci levels, good confluence in this region, which is between basically 43.5 cents and 51 cents roughly. So that's where I would like to see the C wave end. The price action suggests maybe one more low because we have a 1, 2, 3, a very high wave 4, and one more low to come. We could maybe get 2 more lows. Okay, if I count it the same way as Bitcoin's decline, then this would be an ending diagonal and I might get another low. But that isn't so important, not really. What we need to wait for anyway to confirm that the turnaround is happening, I want to see a 5-wave move to the upside as a reaction to this support area. So minimally to suggest now that a low has formed, I need to see a break above the last high at 61.8 cents. Better would be a break above 63.7 cents. Even better, higher likelihood that the low has formed would be a break above 67.5 cents. So it's cascading probabilities, but the best evidence would be a 5-wave move to the upside. So far, I haven't seen that yet. This here is not a 5-wave move up. Yeah. So yeah, suggestion was that we get another low, and it looks like that. At least the chart hasn't done anything to, let's say, invalidate this idea, to invalidate this structure. And if another low is forming, first of all, there will be support again around 50.7 cents. There's good overlap there between these fib levels here, 50.3, 50.7 cents, and then below that, 47.6 cents as next target. Below that, 43.5 cents. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.